Hi everyone and welcome back. In today's video we're making cheese puffs, and to help me pull this off with ease I'm using the new Dijon non-stick foil. This new technology is stronger, durable and is of better quality than the competition. Its best-in-class manufacturing is superior performance, and with Dijon's continuous improvement to meet consumers' needs, so no more food sticking to foil. With easy to follow instructions, simply push in on both ends so that tab holds the roll into place and open the flap. Once you pull the foil out, the matte side stays up. The matte side is the side that has the non-stick technology. It's great to be used in a number of ways and can be found at all supermarkets throughout Trinidad. So let's jump straight into this video with this amazing and easy to make recipe. We're going to start in a skillet over a medium-low heat, and we're going to add in water. To that we're going to add in unsalted butter. If you're using salted butter, omit the salt. In goes salt. Now we're going to allow this to melt and come up to a simmer. And once it's to a simmer, we're going to sprinkle on the flour over the top. I like doing this so it doesn't create any lumps. And now I'll whisk it in. So whisk it in really well. And now I'm going to switch to a spatula. We're going to be cooking this out for about 2 minutes until it comes together. And it would come together into a smooth ball. So once it looks like this, you can go ahead and transfer it to a bowl and allow it to cool down completely. Now let's make the cheese filling. I'm using a combination of Monterey Jack and sharp cheddar. You would want your cheese to be at room temperature so it mixes better. So to the cheese, we're going to add some butter, some Dijon mustard, and pepper sauce. And if you wanted to make it extra creamy, you can add some mayo in here. We're going to give this a mix and bring it together until it's light and creamy. And you can also use your food processor to do this. Just scrape down on the sides of the bowl and set aside. Now it's time to finish the puffs. So to my cooled dough, we're going to just break it up with my hand mixer. You guys can also use a spoon or your stand mixer. We're adding in our eggs one at a time. And I want to tell you guys, when you add it one at a time, just take your time, and before you reach the last egg, make sure that it has a nice soft consistency, but it's not a runny consistency. You see how it looks here? If by the time you put in your 4 eggs and it looks like this, don't add the 5th. So just keep that in mind. Don't let it get runny. So what I have to do now is transfer this to my piping bag. Now if you don't have a piping bag, you can use Dijon's zipper storage bag. Just make a little cut on the end and it will pipe right through. I like using a star tip. You could also use a round tip if you like. We're going to pipe these out to 1.5 inch. And this special non-stick foil with this amazing non-stick technology, you don't have to add anything to the foil but pipe it. When these come out from the oven, you'll see how they'll slide right off of that. Next, we have to make an egg mixture to brush over. So to 1 egg, I'm adding in some milk. We're going to just give that a quick whip or mix, and then we're going to brush it lightly over the puffs. Now these would bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 to 40 minutes depending on the size you make them. Allow them to bake until they're done. If you take them out too soon, they will drop. Just look at that. Look how they're moving back and forth on that foil. This foil has that amazing non-stick technology Your foods will no longer waste because it will not stick to that foil paper anymore. Now we have to transfer these to a wire rack and allow them to cool down. This prevents it from sweating on the bottom. And once they're cool, then we'll fill them. Now with this foil, cleanup is a breeze. You don't have to worry that you have to wash anything. You just remove it and discard. Once your puffs are cooled, we're going to fill them. Now you can make a cut on the underside and pipe the filling into the puffs. But what I like to do is I like to cut it in half and make it like a sandwich. I like to see the cheese peeking out of the puff. So this is how I fill the puffs. And that's it, guys. Once you put in your cheese, your puffs will be ready to be served. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. Make it, comment down below, let me know what you think. Do pick up your non-stick diamond aluminum foil at your supermarket, and do check out all of the other amazing products that Diamond carries. Just look how beautiful these puffs look. So do check out Diamond's other great products. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.